Now let's see what made the Intense 5. Whew, so no one knows what will be left of Twitter after Elon Musk is through with it, okay? So he has fired most of the executives, some have left, and he's being sued by former workers. Oh boy, this is interesting. DeMarco wants artists and producers to stop voicing gun songs. He made the plea on social media after the murder count for the year was released. Hush Puppy will have to forget about his lavish lifestyle for a few years. This IG influencer from Nigeria just got sentenced to 11 years in the US for fraud. Jaja. Boy, it looks like everybody loves Skilly. So he's featured on Busta Rhymes' new EP that was released just yesterday with a song called Bulletproof Skin. All right. Congrats, Skilly, making those moves. And finally holding the spot this week, the queen of dancehall has broken her silence after fans spent over a week speculating on what was true and what wasn't. Spice posted on her IG page that she was near death and suffering sepsis from a damaged hernia. Boy, we're just happy she's okay and we can't wait to see her back on the stage. Get well, Spicy. So that's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Remember to follow us on IG at TVJ Intense.